Taking regular backups of your website is an integral part for maintaining your website properly. In this video, I have a very easy to use plugin. This is a free plugin through which you can take regular backup and it also restoration facility for your website. It is being the easiest way to protect your website as well. So we are going to discuss BackWPup plugin in this video, and using this plugin you can uh, take regular backup, of course, and you can easily create a complete WordPress backup and you can store it on external services like Dropbox, S3, Amazon S3, FTP, Google Drive or OneDrive and much more. So let us see this plugin in action, how really it is helpful for backing up our WordPress website and how easily we can restore. So I'm going to show you very quickly and you can check at your own because this is a free plugin and it is recommended from our side. So if you have any further question, you can directly connect with a mentor on the iCreate program who can help you in every manner for your WordPress website. For regular visitors, I am sure you are aware about the iCreate program and how it is helping the WordPress website, right? Okay, so let us take this demo website and this is an example website and I'm going to install the backup back WP up plugin here. So I'm just copying this and I'll go to the plugin and I can see some plugins are pending to update. So before I install any plugins, so there is a normal protocol to keep updated all the plugins, even themes as well. So what can be the easiest way to update plugins? Like here are 5 plugins that I need to update. So WP Reset Pro is a premium plugin that I am using and it can be also updated directly here since it is a premium one. And further, uh, we can go directly to the Subtaculous Manager, which remains available in every cPanel based hosting plan. So if you are using general hosting plan, it can be available, but it is recommended to use cPanel based hosting plan for your WordPress website. Okay, so I'll show you manage plugins screen where we can directly update all the plugins in one go. So here are plugins, so we can simply click on these update icons and all the plugins can be updated easily from this single screen. So what we are doing, uh, the fastest method for updating the plugin. Yes, it is updated. Now I can come back here and we are intended to install the backup plugin which we are discussing in this video. And I'm just refreshing the page. All the alert is gone. All the plugins have been updated. Now we can add new plugin. It is always recommended to have the updated things at your WordPress installation. This is why I updated the plugin first so that just in case after installation this particular plugin any disturbance occurs, we may actually understand in the even the updated form in the updated form of installation the plugin is working properly or not. So we can always check this. Okay, so here is the target plugin that we are discussing, and it has already got 5 lakhs plus 5 lakhs plus active installation and very good rating from its existing users. It clearly means it is a very popular and well to use plugin, right? So I'm going to install this plugin, and this is also a very popular plugin in backing up Adapt Plus. So okay, but we are mainly focused here on the BackWP Up plugin. Okay, so plugin got installed. We can activate it simply and let us see what features we got with the backup plugins. Okay, let us help. Okay, so this is just an alert and okay, okay. So ready to set up your first backup? Yes, I'm ready. And what? Please select all files or the database you want to backup. Okay, so we can check all advanced settings here just in case if it is required. So you can exclude the files from backing up. By default, all is selected. for getting the backup. So extrude from backup, you can extrude the files. If you don't want to take a backup for any particular file, maybe you have taken earlier backup, so you can skip those part that you are not willing to take as backup. But for the first backup, it is recommended to take the complete backup. By default, this toggle is on for all files and the database, so we can save and continue. This is basically setting for the regular backups. And now, so backup frequency is here. So you can select the hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly frequency for taking the backup. So for files backup, weekly is good. For database, daily is good. As I think for a and regular WordPress website, which is getting a very good traffic. So this setting should be enough. And we can save and continue. Here we can select where we have to keep the backup. So if you are having any of these subscription like Dropbox, FTP, so of course you can have the FTP from your hosting provider, like Microsoft Azure you may have, or Amazon S3, very popularly the storage system, the clouds for accessing the backups and keeping the necessary files. Similarly, we have Sugar Sync or rack space cloud. So it is totally your choice how you want to proceed. By default, you can even take the website server backup, and this is going to be stored at your local server, the server that you are using. So if you have don't have any external storage facility, or you want to keep your backup at your hosting itself, so you can uh, choose the website server and you can save and test connection. Okay, so now save and continue option is here, so we can go with this. And now the next screen is we are creating a backup for your site. Creating a backup might take few minutes depending upon your site size. So the backup will keep running. You'll get a notification when it is done. So yes, it is good and it is working in the background. So even we can skip uh, this page or leave this page. And just in case if you are willing to have some professional features, so what are the pro features with this plugin that I can show you. Okay, go to the plugin. Okay, this is. So if you are willing to have some pro features like additional cloud storage options, Amazon Glacier, Google Drive, OneDrive, High Drive, encrypted backups for enhanced security, and cloud API keys for Dropbox standalone. So there are some pro features that you can have with the pro version of this plugin. So this is the pro version, and I'm going to add the link of all these things in the description of the video. And as I said, if you have any question, you can directly write in the comment section of this video, or you can get in directly touch with the mentor. Right. So the first backup is complete and it is here, and we got the message here. Congratulations, you set your first backup. Now, if we are willing to restore this backup, how it can go forward. So after backup is complete, we can check the logs, which is here, and we can even close the screen. So for restoring purpose or checking all the backups, we can directly go to the backup navigation, which is available with this left menu, left navigation. And here are the history of backup, like what time we have taken the files backup and the format, and we can even take a backup files. Your backup will getting using the data and storage location you selected. Okay, then that is fine. So it is totally configurable and easy to use. So we have all this, and in case if we need any restoration facility, so we can check this. Okay, so I'm just checking. So restoration can be done easily here, and you can download your backup that you have taken at your local machine from using this option. And just in case if you want to restore, it can be restored in a single click. So it is very easy to use, very effective in use, and you don't need to worry for the backup activities since you have set the frequency of backup, so the system will work at its own. Just keep in mind it is creating backup, so it is consuming your local server space and wherever you are putting the backup. So you can even delete the old backups, and you can check the logs and advanced settings on all such things. Like log setting is here, maximum log file in the folder, the logging level or the details are here, so you can set multiple things just in case if you want. But for a general use, it is all set. You can set the backup feature once and it will work at its own. So depending upon the frequency you have set, like we have set the frequency for database daily, so it can be changed as well. So if you can set the time when it is uh, supposed to take a backup automatically, so it is totally in your control. And just in case if you want to delete the backup manually, so you can delete this, and this is delete option as well. So you can simply delete this backup in case if you don't need this, or you can take a new backup. So it is totally simple to use, and I feel this plugin is going to help you in every manner in backup and restoration of your WordPress website. And it is a necessary plugin, in fact. So backup and restoration facility should be there. Whatever plugin you are using, it does not matters. But my opinion is to keep this feature always active at your WordPress website. You never know when you need to take the backup or restore the backup of your WordPress website, because WordPress is a thing where you have to tighten your website security for every hackers and spammers, and it should be secure and protected in any case. So this is the plugin that we discussed, BackWPup, and it is being used by hundreds, thousands of the WordPress website owners. So 5 lakhs that we can see here, and it is effective as well. So as you see working in this video. So in the next video, I'm coming with more solutions for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye. And if you are new to this channel, don't miss to subscribe and pressing the bell button. Let us meet in the next video.